Are you looking for a digital mixer that combines simplicity, efficiency, and versatility? Look no further. At EvenMix, we're proud to introduce our innovative digital mixer, designed to cater to a wide range of mixing requirements with 4 distinct operational modes. Explore each mode and see how the EvenMix R digital mixer can make your mixing process more intuitive and effective. Imagine having the capability to start at any speed you desire without the risk of splashing or the hassle of manual adjustments. Mode 1 offers precisely this level of control, whether dealing with delicate fluids or more robust substances. Upon selecting your desired speed, the EvenMixer digital mixer smoothly ramps up to your chosen setting. This feature is like giving yourself that gentle push you need to start your day. A slow and steady build-up to peak performance. To use Mode 1, power on the mixer and allow it to complete its startup sequence. Choose your speed, press start, and watch the mixer cleverly escalate to your preset speed. This mode is perfect when you need finesse and gradual engagement in your mixing process, avoiding abrupt movements that can lead to material waste or mishaps. Hard-to-reach mixing locations or automated systems often require a mixer that can autonomously start and stop. Mode 2, the Auto Start function, is engineered for such scenarios. With M2, the control is in your hands, quite literally. This mode allows you to initiate the start and stop of the mixer by simply controlling the power supply to the unit. Set your favorite speed after a power cycle. When you power on the unit next, it goes through a 60-second countdown before it automatically begins mixing. To stop, you can either press the stop button or cut the power supply to the unit. The next time power is supplied, the mixer will resume the same operation. M2 is the epitome of convenience for automated mixing environments. Mode 3 presents a cycling mode beneficial for applications requiring an on and off mixing pattern. This mode is essential for IBC totes that need a mix alternating with a rest period to avoid material settling or overheating, ensuring sustained performance. After powering on, the mixer engages for 30 minutes, then pauses to allow the fan to cool the system for another 30 minutes. After the cooling period, the cycle restarts. Should you need to stop the cycle, a simple press of the power button will suffice. This mode is ideal for processes requiring breaks in mixing to ensure product integrity. Sometimes you only need a straightforward, singular mixing session without subsequent cycles. Mode 4, Run and Cool Down, provides this functionality. Designed for a one-time 30-minute mix, this mode ensures a complete, thorough mix without auto restart, perfect for batch processes. Activate the mixer for a dedicated 30-minute session, and it will complete the mixing task without any automatic restart. This mode is favored for tasks that require a set mixing time with no follow-up cycles. Each mode of the EvenMixer digital mixer has been thoughtfully designed with your mixing needs in mind. From the gradual sophistication of M1 to the hands-off reliability of M2, the paced regularity of M3, or the focused intent of M4. At EvenMixer, we take pride in delivering innovative solutions that make your processes easier and more efficient. With our digital mixer, you have the flexibility to tackle any mixing challenge that comes your way. When performance meets user-friendly design, you get the EvenMixer digital mixer. For those seeking a high-quality stainless steel IBC tote mixer, our solution is lightweight without compromising power. Our clients are often surprised by how our lightweight mixers outperform heavier ones, thanks to superior engineering and a blade design that ensures thorough mixing, reaching every corner of the container. Contact us at 440-236-6677. Our team is ready to guide you to the right IBC mixer that matches your needs and budget. Experience the EvenMixer difference for yourself and stay ahead of the game with predictable lead times and superior mixing technology. For more information, visit https://evenmix.com. At evenmix.com digital drive modes. At evenmix.com product EvenMix electric drive. https blue.youtube.com watch v ipibfq https evenmix.com mixing in stainless steel totes